Hey, Tech Guys Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to insert a text box in Google Docs. So to start with, open up your document. You're going to click your cursor where you want the text box to be. Then we're going to click on the Tools menu, click on Insert, scroll down to where it says Drawing, scroll across and click on New. From here, you're going to click on the two T's, which is to create your text box. Then you use your cursor to drag and create your text box, however big you want it to be. When you're happy, release the cursor and then you can edit your text box. So you can give it a color, or you can add a border so to make it stand out, and then you can add text to your text box. So I'm going to write something in, and when you're happy, all you need to do is click on save and close and your text box will be created. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.